Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you today? I wish you will be enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class that is on English for grade 5 and we are learning unit number 7 and its title is Climate Change. Yes, my dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given below. You may click it, download it, or you can amend it for your ease. I am going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Our today's lecture number 9, under the writing skills, we will learn about a paragraph writing, my dear teachers. So before in English for grade 3, already we have learned about writing skills and a paragraph writing, how we can write a paragraph. I hope you remember it. If you may not, so you can watch this video lecture again. So our today's students' learning outcomes are: show relationships between sentences in a paragraph and between paragraphs. Analyze a simple paragraph to recognize that a paragraph comprises a group of sentences that develop a single main idea. The main idea of a paragraph is given in the topic sentence. Other sentences in the paragraph support the topic. Write a guided paragraph using ideas gathered and organized through various strategies. So we are going to cover up all these SLOs because these SLOs are related with our paragraph writing. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in Al-Quran, my dear students, in Surah At-Tawbah, verse number 122, they could devote themselves to studies in religion and admonish the people when they return to them, that thus they may learn to guard themselves against evil. So yes, my dear students, this beautiful verse is telling us that we have to devote ourselves toward our studies. But we have to study our religion, that what is our religion and what are the principle and rules are fixed to follow the religion, okay? Because our religion is Islam, so we have to devote our lives to serve and to learn about Islam. So this beautiful verse is telling us about this thing. So yes, see there is a paragraph for you, my dear teacher. Pause the video and say to students that they have to recognize from this paragraph what is the main topic sentence. Be quick, hurry up. I'm giving you few minutes, so find out the topic sentence from the paragraph. Welcome back, and I hope you have done and you have got it, that which is the topic sentence. Okay, let's see, and first of all see, then I'll tell you which is the topic sentence. What is a paragraph? A paragraph is a series of meaningful sentences that are organized together and related to a single topic. Always, my dear students, a paragraph is the collection of meaningful sentences, and it always gathered and it always supports to a single main idea, okay? If you will complete different lines and you will organize a paragraph, then it will not be a paragraph, okay? It can be a paragraph, but it will be not a meaningful paragraph. A meaningful paragraph always related to a single topic, my dear students, okay? So keep remember that. So how many parts in a paragraph? 3 parts are there: topic sentence, supporting details, and concluding sentence. So let's see what is a topic sentence. A topic sentence, the first section of a paragraph includes the topic sentence and any other sentence at the beginning of the paragraph that give background information. Okay, a topic sentence always tells us that about which the paragraph is going on, okay? That which type of information we will get further. Always a topic sentence comprises one sentence can be or 2 sentences can be. It depends on the paragraph situation. So let's see topic sentence already. Yes, now that for topic sentence you had found. Yes, this is our paragraph topic sentence. The sun gives us light. Okay, so now let's see, we are moving to next. What is supporting details? Follows the introduction discussing the main idea using facts, arguments, examples, and other information. Got it, my dear students? So this is a paragraph, and this paragraph is, and this is supporting details. These supporting details will tell us about introduction, discussing the main idea using different facts, arguments, examples, and other information. Okay, so now let's see. We are going to see that the sun gives us light. There was, okay, it is a ball of fire, so it keeps us warm and gives us heat. My mother dried our clothes in the sun. So yes, my dear students, this was our main idea, topic sentence, and now these all detail is supporting that topic sentence. How we can see that plant make their food with the help of sunlight. It is a fact. When the sun rises, it becomes day, and when the sun sets, it becomes night. Okay, have you got that? The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. If there will be no sun, what will happen? Yes, it will be dark everywhere. So have you got that, my dear students? So these all was the supporting detail of the paragraph. Okay, that was our topic sentence, main idea. Now it gives topic detail, and these details are all our fact, my dear students. As we know that the sun rises from the east and it sets in the west, and plants make their food with the help of sunlight. So these all are facts. Have you got that? Good. So next, see what is a concluding sentence. The final section summarizes between the information discussed in the body of the paragraph and paragraph's controlling idea. Now it is always a last sentence and it all sum up the whole discussion. Okay, that sentence is always called concluding sentence. So let's see in our paragraph what is our concluding sentence. Yes, so I realized the importance of sun. So now it is a complete and a meaningful paragraph, my dear students. You can see that this is our first, the sun gives us light. That was our topic sentence, and this is the whole discussion is supporting to that topic sentence. And after that whole discussions, what we got as a conclusion? Yes, so we realized that the importance of sun, that how sun is important for us, for everything in the world. Now have you got that? This is the way to guide a meaningful paragraph. Okay, my dear students, have you got? Good job. So now we are moving toward an activity. See there? Yes, what you have to do? Now open your book on page number 58. There is an activity for you in question number 13. So you have to do that. You have to see the picture and you have to plan a topic sentence, supporting detail and concluding sentence. So pause the video and get this activity on your book. Oh, welcome back, and I hope you have enjoyed and you have done with it, and because you got the details that how we can organize a meaningful paragraph. Good job. So what's our homework for today? We have to do project given on book page number 58, my dear students. There is a project on your book. You have to see all these things, and after setting all these things at your home, you have to write simple things. Right, how does it spread, its symptoms. This is a viral disease, any viral disease you can see and you can get, and then you will represent your work in your class next day. Okay, this is your homework. So yes, my dear fellow teachers, this is worksheet. This worksheet link is given below. You should get it and give it to your students so that you may be able to check that how now they are able to write a meaningful paragraph. And what we have learned today, what is a paragraph and its different parts. We also got knowledge that how we can organize a meaningful paragraph for better understanding. And in this way, we have covered up all these SLOs, because these are SLOs were related to a paragraph writing, a meaningful paragraph writing. So my dear students, I hope you have enjoyed today's lecture. So tomorrow with a new lecture. See you soon, inshallah. Till that time, stay blessed. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.